Have you ever needed to update a name, date, or number on a scanned document, but stopped because you were worried the changes would look obvious? Correcting scanned files can be a real headache when you don't have the right tools. That's where Tunor Digital Agency comes in. Our expert service makes it incredibly easy to edit scanned documents with the same font. We don't just type over your file. We match the exact font style, size, color, and spacing so the new text blends in naturally. Whether it's a scanned PDF, an invoice, or a simple receipt, we handle it all. Plus, if the original scan has old marks or rough background textures, we perform a clean background repair to give the final document a seamless, professional finish. We offer flexible packages tailored to your specific needs, ranging from a quick single-page text fix to deep, complex cleanups. Getting started is simple. Just upload your file, let us know what needs to be changed, and we take care of the rest. Stop struggling with messy edits. Trust Tunor to edit your scanned document with the same font for a flawless, ready-to-use result. Visit tunor.com today or reach out to us directly on WhatsApp to get started.